Hello students. Today we will start with pronouns. Now, what are pronouns? Now, before discussing pronoun, let us discuss what are nouns. Now, nouns are the name of a person, place, animal or a thing as we know it. Now, pronoun. Pronouns are the names that takes the place of a noun. Now, today's topic is pronoun. Now, pronoun are those words that comes in the place of noun. So, these are those words that takes the place of noun. That takes the place of a noun. Now, if we take an example, see, Mohan is a good boy. So this is an example. Mohan is a good boy. So what is Mohan? Mohan is a noun. Now if we replace this noun with the word he is a good boy. Okay, so this he is a pronoun. Got it? We have replaced Mohan with he. Now, Mohan is a noun and he is a pronoun. So, the word that comes in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Got it? Now, let us take one more example. For example, Mary is my friend. Okay, Mary is my friend. Now I can continue like that. She studies regularly. Instead of using the Mary again, I have replaced it with the she. Now it becomes the pronoun. Got it? So this is called pronoun. Now there are different kinds of pronoun. Let us take one by one. Now let us take. Now there are different kinds of pronoun. Let me write the name of all the kinds. Then we will discuss one by one. Now first is the personal pronoun. First is a personal pronoun. Now second one is the demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun. Okay, second is a demonstrative pronoun. Third one is reflexive pronoun. Third one is reflexive pronoun. Fourth one is indefinite pronoun. Fifth one is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Sixth one is interrogative pronoun. Are you getting the things? We are going to discuss it one by one. Okay, interrogative pronoun. Seventh one is emphasizing pronoun. Emphasizing pronoun. Okay. Eighth one is distributive. Distributive pronoun. And last one is relative pronoun. And this is the last one. So there are 9 kinds of pronoun. Now let us take each kind in detail. Now let us start with the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, distributive pronoun, and last is relative pronoun. Now let us discuss all these kinds in detail. Now first of all, let us take the personal pronoun. Now what are personal pronoun? What are personal pronouns? Now pronoun, suppose if I write an example, let us take an example. Rohan is my friend. Rohan is my friend. Now if I replace it with he is my friend, then what is he? He is a personal pronoun. He is a personal pronoun that has been used in place of this noun. So this is called the personal pronoun. Now let us take the second one. Demonstrative pronoun. Now what are demonstrative pronouns? Pronouns that are used to point out. If you are using the pronoun to point out any object which they refer to is called the demonstrative pronoun. So that demonstrates or points out. Okay, let us take an example for this for the better clarity. For example, if I say this is a beautiful dress. This is a beautiful dress. What's the demonstrative pronoun over here? It is this. Now you are pointing to the dress. Okay. When you are pointing to a particular object, then it is called the demonstrative pronoun. Now let us take one more example. These are ripe mangoes. These are ripe mangoes. Ripe मतलब पके हुए. Now these are ripe mangoes. So these is a demonstrative pronoun because they are pointing to the mangoes. So जब आप किसी particular object को point out करते हैं, then it is called demonstrative pronoun. Now let us take the third one. That is we took personal pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Let us take the third one. It is called interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Now what do you mean by interrogative? Interrogative means that asks the question. We know na? We have read in the kinds of sentences also. The sentences which ask the question are known as interrogative sentences. The pronoun which asks the questions are called an interrogative pronoun, and they are very easy to identify. Now let us take an example. Let us take some example here. Which is the way to university? Question mark. It will be always followed by a question mark. Which is the way to university? Now can you tell me which is the interrogative pronoun over here? Which word is the interrogative pronoun? It is which. This is called the interrogative pronoun. The word that asks the question, the word that asks you the question is called the interrogative pronoun. Now, let us take one more example. Where are you going? Okay, where are you going? Which is the interrogative pronoun over here? It is where. Because this word is asking the question. So this is called interrogative pronoun. Now, let us take the next one. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Now possessive, what do you mean by this? It shows the possession. Okay, possession का मतलब belongingness. That is called possessive pronoun. Let us take the example. Like this book is mine. So mine is the possessive pronoun. Okay, got it? We can take one more example. That pen is yours. Yours is the possessive pronoun. Okay. Now let us take the next one. Like we can say reflexive pronoun. Let us first of all take an example. See, what is reflexive pronoun? See, I have done this work myself. So what's a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun is myself. This word relates to the subject. Okay, that is called reflexive pronoun. I have done this work myself. You have heard yourself. Yourself is again a reflexive pronoun. Now students, we are going to take the rest of the kinds in the next class. Till then, goodbye.